So yeah, so that's the first trade that I got, and then it popped the squeeze up. I did again one more time. This one was profitable, and then I added, and I kind of messed up here. I tried to add, get out, and kind of messed up on my hotkeys. So that trade was profitable, but not much. And then as soon as I saw that,
I would like to invite you to join me for a live trading workshop.
Come join us November 2nd in Fort Lauderdale, Florida.
Be part of our pre-market show to see how we find stocks in play.
Hopefully we'll have a strong catalyst to give us a good short on Beyond the Meat.
Experience in-person mentorship while you trade.
Participate in topics from some of your favorite mods, like
learn how to find powerful trade setups.
Achieve your trading goals by developing a trade book.
Need to pivot with the current market conditions? Come learn VPA with me.
Bear market, bull market, I've got a trade for that.
We know you have options.
But come join us, diddly doodly.
I'm really looking forward to see you and trade next to you. And all of us. See you in Florida.
Good morning, traders. Welcome to another episode of Bearable Traders Trading Recap. Amazing trading day. I had a really nice trading day. Started a little bit choppy. It's been since that it's been like 4 or 5 weeks that every the first 5-10 minutes is really choppy, but after that we get really nice move. One of my friends actually called me, Salim, yesterday, and I said, dude, just wait for 5 minutes or wait for 10 minutes, and he was right. Today also I got chopped up a little bit in the first couple of minutes, but I got a really nice amazing move on Netflix and amazing move on TQQ. So let's watch it. But don't forget, guys, Florida workshop on November 2nd. It's going to be amazing. We have about 89 people sign up, including the moderators, and the maximum room that we can have 100 people. There is also a link for if you want to buy a small PC or laptop for a setup that you can trade live in the morning with us. There's a link for that, and we might also bring a psychologist to have a special webinar for you guys. We're just reaching out to her. It's not created. She's I saw her in Traders for a Cause as a performance coach. She's an amazing person, so we might invite her to come and join us. Actually, I'll update you on that. But regardless, let's go to trading. So Netflix, as you see on my chart, we had a really nice run up. Netflix had the earning yesterday, and surprisingly they had 2.5 million subscribers. Everyone was thinking Netflix is dead, but apparently they could turn it around with the good series that they had. So Netflix gapped up significantly yesterday after the market. We are in the earnings season, by the way. We're gonna get a lot of volatility today at the open. It sold off. It sold off really bad just before the market opens, and I came late a little bit, and I didn't see this big sell-off. Otherwise I wouldn't have gone long. Opened strong, I went long, and I thought it's gonna get really through the VWAP. It didn't drop, and I got stopped out on that. So that was just the first trade that I got stopped out. Oops, no, not this one, bro, not this one. Sorry. So yeah, so that's the first trade that I got, and then it popped the squeeze up. I did again one more time. This one was profitable, and then I added, and I kind of messed up here. I tried to add, get out, and kind of messed up on my hotkeys. So that trade was profitable, but not much. And then as soon as I saw that as it squeezes up, and then after that it just popped up through the VWAP. Then turned out to be a really nice 5-minute open range breakup. I went long. I added heavy on the side, the 269 and 270. And we already have it there. It turned out to be a really amazing 920 trade, but I didn't take that, unfortunately, and it's now trading at 280. So that was a really nice trade that we had, very profitable. And then we go to TQQ, my buddy TQQ, which is essentially trading the index of Qs. So TQQ at the open opened strong a little bit. It was gapping down a little bit, about 0.6%. I went long, tried to get this red to green node, got stopped out, but eventually got back in there, added more, and I got one good trade on that. So again, this one was a break even, and this one was a really good trade on that. So that was a good trade. I made a little bit of a profit on TQQ, but I knew Q is gonna holding. Every time that it's dropping, it was really holding. And market condition, the sentiment has changed a little bit, and I was a little bit of a bullish. Squeezed above the VWAP, I went long again, and I was hoping that now we're gonna go red to green. It dropped, and I got to stop that, and that's okay. It was really painful, but that's okay, because you have to get stopped out if you think the direction, the trade doesn't work anymore. Again, it came back up. This one with heavy volume, I went long. I added just below the previous day close, heavy size, and I'm still in there, and that broke down all the way up to 2020, and I'm still in there. So I had a really profitable day so far, and I still have 3,000 shares of TQQ, and I still have 200 shares of Netflix. That was a really nice trade. Plus I sold some SOXL calls at 6 and 8 that they still have some time value. See if they get hit or not. Plus I have some other positions sitting there, and see if you can actually make something out of it. But overall, it was a really good trading day, and I hope that everyone in the chat room had a really nice day. Brian, how was your trading day?
Oh, it started out kind of crappy. I tried when Netflix dropped. I don't even know why I took this trade because it wasn't even in a trade book. But yeah, I shorted it, and then it started to squeeze back up. Yeah, I had started out the day with not a great trade, but I also traded Roku, which worked out okay. It was kind of traded as a rising, as a lead balloon trade. So when it popped up, I shorted it. It dropped down, but then it came back up again. It was pretty choppy like the rest of the market, but managed that. And then my best trades were GNRC. So yeah, I just I got I kind of chased it. Again, wasn't even a really good entry, but I got one good entry around 120-ish, and then it dropped a lot, and then it came back up, and I played it. This was a better trade actually from my trade book. I just played it when it came back up and came close to the VWAP, shorted it again, and around 119.10. And then covered it back down around 118, 117. So overall, overall it was pretty. GNRC got me back close to green, but I've had a pretty crappy day so far. Big loss on Netflix.
Yeah, how did you lose money on Netflix? Anyways, just kidding. Okay, so here's the thing.
Yeah.
So the deal is today is Wednesday. We have the psychology webinar. We'll see you guys at 8 p.m. And the market seems that it starts. Oops, battery existed. So the market
920. 920 on Qs right now and SPY.
Qs, yeah. All right, guys. See you all tonight in the psychology webinar. And if not, see you tomorrow morning in the chat room, guys. Make sure Florida meetup, guys. Don't miss up. This one is going to be one of the best, amazing meetups that we've ever had, guys. Have a good day and see you guys.